Marhaba, my name is Abdullah Hamid. I am the sea turtle biologist working for the Olive Ridley Project here at JOALI Being. Since 2021, JOALI has partnered closely with the Olive Ridley Project to protect sea turtles and their habitats. The waters around our islands are home to green sea turtles, hawksbills, occasionally loggerheads, leatherbacks, and of course the Olive Ridleys. The hawksbill sea turtles found here are usually juveniles, which makes the Maldives a very important foraging ground for these gentle creatures. Unfortunately, sea turtles face many dangers in their natural environment. Due to increased ocean debris, they can get entangled in fishing nets, often causing devastating injuries. The Olive Ridley Project rescues these sea turtles, and the veterinary team treats them so they can be released back into the wild. In 2024, we opened Atoll Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Center at JOALI Being. Dedicated to long-term rehabilitation, this facility takes in turtles from the Olive Ridley Project's main rescue center in Atoll. Under the direct supervision of our veterinary team, our sea turtle biologist provides daily care and dive training for our patients, preparing them for a healthy return to the ocean. Kurangi was the first sea turtle patient at the Atoll Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Center here at JOALI Being. Kurangi was found floating in Shabiani Atoll, entangled in a fishing gear. She was found by our Olive Ridley Project biologist. She was brought in to our main rehabilitation center in Atoll. After that, she was treated. We had to amputate her flipper, unfortunately, and she had trouble diving, so she has been with us for a very long time now. She progressed very well, is controlling her buoyancy perfectly, and is resting at the bottom of her tank. After her last veterinary check, she was cleared for release. On the 2nd of November, she was released off the beach of JOALI Being. Additionally, we support scientific research on sea turtles in the wild. The island of JOALI Being provides an important nesting beach for hawksbill sea turtles, a critically endangered species that is vulnerable to extinction. Together with the Olive Ridley Project, we protect the turtle nests on the island, ensuring that they aren't disturbed during the nesting process. Once the eggs hatch, the sea turtle biologist performs excavations with permits from local authorities to identify how many sea turtle hatchlings went into the sea, and how many didn't survive, and the reasons for these outcomes. This contributes to the crucial long-term research on the reproductive biology of sea turtles. We also perform in-water surveys through diving and snorkeling. Our sea turtle biologist monitors sea turtles in Atoll using photo identification methods. Sea turtles have a unique pattern on the sides of their faces, which can be used to identify individuals, just like fingerprints in humans. By taking photos of turtles and uploading them into our main database, we are able to track down their movements and better understand their preferred sites and current threats. The final pillar of our partnership with the Olive Ridley Project is education and outreach, which has been extremely successful across Atoll. We conduct frequent school visits, community awareness events, and local-only internships with a focus on building local capacity for sea turtle conservation within the country. Ocean conservation is at the core of JOALI way of life. With support from our valued partners and guests, we pledge to continue protecting and preserving this beautiful place we call home and all its precious residents.